Now the topic before us is creating variables in Python. Now first of all, we must understand what is the meaning of variables. In Python, variables are named containers that store data values. They act like labeled boxes in your computer's memory where you store information you want to use in your program. What it means? If we presume that this is the memory of the computer system where there are different compartments, and now we have to create variables. What it means? It means, say we say that age is 10, name is Ria. So here what is written? Here it has been written that the age of a person is 10 years, his name or her name is Ria. Here we have, this is age is the variable name and we have assigned value of 10 to it. In the second case, name is the variable name and Ria is the value. So in case of computer's memory, how it is stored, then this variable may occupy any place in the memory of the computer system at random. Suppose this is the memory location of variable name age. Here the value which is stored in it will be 10. Now the other variable name is name. So at random at any maybe there any memory location may be picked up by the computer system. Here the variable name is name and the value stored in it is Ria. So in this way, the computer variables are the containers in which value is stored, and we will be using this value in our programs at a later date when we run the codes. You will give them names. We are giving these names to the containers and assign values, numbers, text, or even collections of data. Just like in kitchen, there are many containers containing different items. To store data in the computer memory, we use variables. Now how to create variables? You have to choose a name for your variable. You place the variable name on the left side, as you have seen earlier that while writing the age, we had kept it on the left side and the value which we wanted to store was kept on the right hand side. You can create a variable simply by assigning a value to it using an equal sign. That is, in case of variable, we can create it simply by assigning a value to it. Here we have assigned the value of 10 and in between the variable name and the value we have put this equal sign. Python does not require you to declare variables before using them. That is, when you are writing the code, you have not to declare what type of value or what is the data type of the value. We will understand what is the meaning of data type. Here 10 is integer or simply number. The equal sign associates with the variable is a value. Here you can see that this equal sign is associating the variable with the value. So now if we say that this is the variable name which we have taken as name and it is Ria, then we take age as 10, we write price as 99.9 What is this name? This is the variable name. This is the value assigned to it. Here, Ria is a string. String means words or a sentence or a combination of words. Here, these are 10 and 1999 are numbers. Here it is integer value, whole value, whole, that is the value in whole numbers, and this is the floating value. Here in this there is decimal point in it. Now you will see that while writing the variable name, here it is Ria is a string, that is here these are the words, and when we are to use it in quotes, we will use it in double quotes or in single quotes or double quotes. Now we will see how we use these variable names in our codes or writing our programs. Now we will see how the variables are created in VS Studio Code. Now we create a variable with variable name age. We assign a value to it. Then we take name, variable name as name, and we write, we assign a value to it, Sahil. Then we take another variable name price and we assign a value to it. So in this picture, you will in this screen, you will find that these three lines have age, name, and price. These are in bluish color. As already told that it is the feature of VS Code that different parts of the code are shown in different colors for the purpose of easy recognition and simple understanding. Here, the variable names are appearing in bluish color. The value which is of string or the value which is appearing as words, that is Sahil, is somewhat in pinkish color or brownish color, and the number or the values which are appearing in numbers are somewhat in greenish color. So now we will see how to use these variables in codes. Now we will use print function. We will use print age and give the command, and you will see that what has happened in the terminal output is 10. Let us see what happens if we use double quotes. In case of age, we give the command of run. You will find that age is the output. Here the value has not been shown. Why? Because here we have used double quotes. Whenever we use double quotes, the value will not be shown. The value assigned to the variable name will not be shown, but the words which are in double quotes will be shown. Now we take other point, print name. When we are using simply name, we are not using single, double or triple quotes. What is the value contained in the variable will be shown. Here the variable contains value Sahil. So when we will use the print function for name without assigning double quotes or single quotes, the name will be appearing. you will find that the value assigned to the variable name is appearing. If we, in the same way, if we use single quotes for the name, then run command, you will find that as we have used quotes, the value is not appearing. Whenever we want to appear value, we will not be using single or double quotes. Next, we will be using print price. Here you will find that in the terminal 99.99 price is appearing. So in this way, you will find that we have created variables with the name, with three different names, that is age, name and price. We assigned value to all these three variables. We assigned value, and we also got the output of the same with the help of print function. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.